Hello, I am making face shields to donate for hospitals. So I seen a video online by 3D printing nerd and one from Prusa. They made their own face shields. I'm using one from 3D printing nerd and there's several out there. I just found this the easiest to use. Basically, just 3D print the plastic platform for your head, the headband. Sorry, like this. The headband, and let this go up here. So once that's 3D printed, then you put plastic film all over it. And I'm using what he linked from the video I saw was transparency paper. You know, the one you seen in old projectors with you put over the projector and just right over it, like old school style, before modern day tech. But here's one laser film. It's probably hard to see, but I cut the holes out from my quick cut machine, so I have a laser cutter too. It didn't work out too well, really. I didn't like that version, so I ended up using my quick cut machine, which turned out much better. Basically, you just put the holes, match and release. Pretty simple. This one's already stretched out already, so it's much easier. And there's a little tighter fitting, so it doesn't come off. Put these on to show. There you go. Face shield. I'm going to make so much so quick, but I'm making as much as I can. Had to do some trial and error, but yeah. I'm making some more right now over there. And there's my 3D printer making one right now. But I plan to donate as much as I can with how much resources I can get. I can't make face masks yet, although I tried one over here. It's a removable filter, really, and well, really having a hard time getting masks right now, obviously. So any PPE helps, but this is just a test from what I saw online. So I 3D printed this, then I actually spray painted so I can seal it better. Hopefully it works. But I'll be giving out the face mask first, because those are much more easier to make, and they definitely are more useful. It keeps your masks lasting longer. So it's far nice. And no one really spits in your face. If you do make stuff, anything, you have a 3D printer, or maybe you can make masks, I think you should try to make and give out to the hospitals, or if you know anyone that's first responder, EMT, paramedic, I say you should make it and just give it, it doesn't hurt, right? Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys around.